Internet of Things. You may have listened to this term many times from the past few years, but what is Internet of Things and why it's becoming so popular? Let's take a look at it. Hello everyone, my name is Souvik and welcome to a brand new video of this channel. So, according to Wikipedia, the Internet of Things describes the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software and other technologies for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. Now let's simplify this thing. First, tell me, how are we connected? Through the internet, right? We can communicate with each other, share knowledge and opinions to each other through the internet. Everything is being possible because internet exists. Now replace us with devices. I mean physical objects. When devices communicate with each other through the internet, it will become Internet of Things. Fair enough? Now let's take some of the devices that we use daily and connect them with internet. Suppose a temperature sensor and an air conditioner both are connected to the internet and communicating with each other all the time. So the temperature sensor will scan the temperature of outside and share that with the AC. Now the AC, which have a big brain of course, will set its temperature based on the value that is being shared by the sensor. Cool, right? Now let's look at another example. Suppose you have a camera in your door. So every time when someone comes to your door, first the camera will scan the face, then it will try to match with the previous data from the database. If the person matched, the camera will communicate that with the lock and unlock it automatically. Then it can also set the AC temperature based on the previous analytics and can play his or her favorite show on the TV as well. IoT also has industrial benefits. I will link an article if you want to know more about Internet of Things. Now tell me, what do you think about IoT? Do you have a smart device in your home? Let me know in the comments below. So that is it for this video. Please subscribe to this channel, it will motivate me to make more videos like this. I'll be back with a new video soon. Till then, tada!